Hello, art enthusiasts. Kamran here, inviting you to a delightful drawing journey. Grab your tools, and let's sketch a charming kite together. Start with a simple diamond shape for the kite's body. Add a smaller triangle at the bottom to represent the tail. Now, let's infuse some character into it. Enhance your kite by drawing a long, flowing tail. You can experiment with different patterns and lengths to make it uniquely yours. Add a string extending from the top of the kite down to the tail for that classic look. Feel free to play with colors. Kites come in various hues, so let your creativity soar. Whether you choose bright and vibrant colors or a more subdued palette, make it a reflection of your artistic spirit. Share your kite drawings in the comments. I'm excited to see your artistic interpretations. If you enjoyed this quick artistic journey, consider subscribing for more drawing inspiration. Keep those creative vibes flowing, and I'm eager to witness the imaginative wonders you'll create with your kite drawing. Until next time, happy drawing!